Setting up the lathe, mastering workshop vocabulary. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase from the world of workshops and machinery. Set up the lathe. This phrase is not just about the literal action of preparing a machine, but it's also a great example of specific English vocabulary used in a technical context. Let's dive in and understand every aspect of this phrase. Set up the lathe is a phrase that combines two key components, set up and lathe. Let's break these down. Set up. This is a phrasal verb that means to prepare or arrange something for use. It's widely used in English for various contexts, from setting up a computer to preparing for a meeting. Lathe. A lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations like cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, and deformation. When combined, set up the lathe means to prepare the lathe machine for its operation. It involves various steps like positioning the machine, securing the workpiece, and selecting the right tools. Understanding phrases like set up the lathe is crucial for those working in or studying technical fields, especially in mechanics or manufacturing. It's a clear example of how English is used in specific professional contexts. Technical vocabulary. Phrases like this contribute to a specialized vocabulary that is essential for clear communication in technical settings. Safety and efficiency. Proper understanding of such phrases ensures safety and efficiency in operations, especially when dealing with heavy machinery. While set up the lathe is a technical phrase, it's a great example of how English uses phrasal verbs and specific nouns together. You might hear similar structures in everyday English, like set up a meeting or set up a computer. Adaptability of phrasal verbs. English phrasal verbs like set up are versatile and can be used in various contexts, changing meaning slightly depending on the noun they're paired with. Understanding context. Recognizing the context in which phrases are used is vital for understanding and using English effectively. I hope this video has been enlightening in understanding the phrase, set up the lathe, and its relevance in both technical and everyday English. Remember, mastering phrases like this is a step towards fluency and confidence in using English, especially in specific professional domains. Stay tuned for more insightful videos, and keep practicing.